Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to tell you about the Wilms tumor, and the other name for Wilms tumor is nephroblastoma, and it is most common childhood renal tumor. So most common childhood renal tumor, I am asking you about the renal tumor. Most common childhood renal tumor is Wilms tumor, or we can say nephroblastoma. These were the same name for the Wilms tumor. And what were the causes of Wilms tumor? So the causes were if there is WT1 gene mutation or either there is WT2 gene mutations, and both these genes were present on the chromosome number 11. Please remember that both these genes were present on chromosome number 11. If there is WT1 gene mutation, then it may be there is Weger syndrome or Danny-Dresch syndrome. So in Weger syndrome, for the Weger syndrome, we have the mnemonic that is Weger, W-A-G-R. W stands for Wilms tumor, A stands for aniridia, G for gonadal dysgenesis, and R stands for mental retardations. So these were the features of Weger syndrome. Wilms tumor, aniridia, gonadal dysgenesis is there, and the person is mental retarded. And the other is Danny-Dresch syndrome. So in this Danny-Dresch syndrome, there is Wilms tumor plus male pseudohermaphroditism is there. Means there is Wilms tumor plus male pseudohermaphroditism features were present in the Danny-Dresch syndrome. Now, if there is WT2 gene mutation, then there is Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome. So in the Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome, there is Wilms tumor plus hemihypertrophy is there. Wilms tumor plus hemihypertrophy is there. So now I am going to tell you what were the features of the Wilms tumor, what were the clinical features of the Wilms tumor. So there is one triad for clinical feature of the Wilms tumor. First one is the abdominal mass in the kidneys. In the kidney is seen abdominal mass is there in the kidney. Hematuria is there, and the person has the fever. So abdominal mass is there, hematuria is there, and the fever is present in the present. And in this there is flank pain also present, and maybe there is renal cell carcinoma is there. But these were other than this triad: abdominal mass, hematuria, and fever is present in the Wilms tumor. These were the clinical features of the Wilms tumor. And the Wilms tumor, on the microscopic image we find the triphasic tumor, because Wilms tumor is a triphasic tumor. Please remember it, that Wilms tumor is a triphasic tumor. So in the triphasic, what do I mean about the triphasic tumor? Triphasic tumor means in this epithelial, mesenchymal tissue and blastoma, both these were seen on the microscopic image of the Wilms tumor. That is a triphasic tumor. And here I am asking you that what is a biphasic tumor? So biphasic tumor is a synovial sarcoma. Synovial sarcoma is a biphasic tumor. For the translocation, we can remember that when we commit the when we commit sin is committed when we are adult. Adult means I mean to say at 18 age. So translocation of X is to 18 is synovial sarcoma translocation. So this is about the Wilms tumor. I hope you get information from this video. Thank you. Bye bye.